You need to hear this if you've ever had your stomach rumble at the worst time, like in a quiet meeting or during a movie. Here's what's really going on inside. So, why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? It's called borborygmi. Yup, that's a real word. When your stomach and intestines are empty, your brain tells them to start cleaning up. They squeeze and push leftover food and air around, kinda like washing the dishes, but with more gurgles. That's what makes those funny sounds. And guess what? Your stomach actually does this all day, but it's louder when it's empty, because there's less stuff to muffle the noise. Next time it growls, you'll know why. Follow Quirklight for more body secrets.